What's up, window cleaners? Louis here with Superb Window Cleaning. Hey, yesterday I did a video talking about my go-to soap for residential window cleaning for the exterior. It's called Glass Clean 4, or also known as GG4. I just wanted to talk a little bit more about it. Maybe I didn't do a close-up on the bottle itself, or I didn't give more information on it, so I just want to revise this video. I do Orange Crush now. That's my go-to soap for my storefronts. But this right here, like I said, it's my go-to soap for residential window cleaning. I just want to read right here what it says right off the bat. On the bottle it says designed for professional window cleaners. And that's what I like to talk or tell my clients. Hey, if they ever ask, hey, what kind of soap do you use, or what's in your solution, I'm gonna tell them, you know what, I'm using a soap that is especially designed for professional window cleaners, especially designed for glass, and right there, that hooks them in. You got them, because that's what they want to hear. I understand window cleaners use dishwashing soap, and you know what, that's cool. I understand that. I mean, I've used it before, so I can't judge. But I live in the desert, and we get a lot of wind here in the desert. And with desert, there's sand, and with dust. And with dishwashing soap, it has a tendency that whatever's in dishwashing soap, like the dust clings to the glass really quick. So that's the reason why I stopped using dishwashing soap. But I found this, Glass Clean 4. I mean, this soap, like I said yesterday, I get repeat customers all the time, and they're always telling me how my windows shine, and this is what this does. That's what it says here. Also, sparkling clean windows, and that is definitely true. It's not a lie. I mean, this soap gives the glass like a luster, or it's just impeccable shine. Whatever is in this soap, whoever made this soap up, whatever chemist did this soap, man, I mean, they did a good job. I'm gonna have to admit that. Also, it's concentrated, professional strength. This bottle right here alone, this gallon right here, goes a long ways. I've had it for months. And what I do is I just use like a floater bottle like this that you can purchase too at your favorite window cleaning supply company. And I just fill up this part here, this reservoir, like fully to 3 gallons of water. Or if I want to add more, I just add another half to it. And that's all you need, and you're ready to go. Get one of these too. So let me go on and keep reading what it says here on the bottle. Earth-friendly product. So this is what you can also tell your customers. I'm using a soap that it's not going to hurt your plants. So if there's like plants outside where the window is, this is not going to harm the plants. It's not going to kill them or make them dry up or whatever. It's earth-friendly. It has, also, I'm going to go on, superior wetting and rinsing. This soap here has an agent in it that causes the water not to evaporate so fast, and that's a plus with me because I live in the desert. I live in the Palm Springs area, and it gets really hot here. I'm not exaggerating. I mean, it gets like up to 120 degrees every day in the summer, like 110 degrees in the shade. And this product here, it helps. Okay, and it contains no phosphates or ammonia, so it doesn't have like harsh chemicals that are going to cause damage to maybe the frames of the glass or paint around the frames, or even to your hands. They're not going to dry up. I never have dry hands when I use this soap. And then it goes on to say no cleanup required, and that means that this is a sudsless soap. So I understand when you use dishwashing soap, it does have it does cause a lot of suds, but this is a sudsless soap, so there's less cleanup, there's less having to wipe up all the suds. So you're gonna get your job done a little quicker. All right, and also look what it says here, safe for tinted and low E glass. So you can use this on even on tinted film on inside of your windows that you do interior that has tinted film. So it's gonna be safe. So I highly recommend this soap. Check out other things from Titan Laboratories. They have a lot of other good products out there that would help you in your cleaning business. All right, and then somebody told me also, what do you add to your GG4? And I can recommend putting like Sorbo Squeegee Glide, just to give it an added boost, the added slip, like I said, just a boost. All right, so I just wanted to let you know more about this Glass Clean 4. You can purchase it pretty much at any window cleaning supply company. You can go online or talk to your favorite person that you like to order your supplies from, and I'm pretty sure they'll have it. Okay? All right, so take care.